Standard term 1. Science. Science in everyday life. Introduction. Science has helped us to find solutions to many of our problems. The world we are living in is not the same as before. It is changing every day. In fact, every hour. We see a lot of changes around us. Some of them are reversible and some of them are irreversible. Irreversible changes like burning of waste pollute our home and school environment. We need to know about waste management and proper disposal of wastes. Who are the scientists from Tamil Nadu? Tamil Nadu has a long history of science since ancient times. Scientific concepts can be seen in ancient Tamil literatures. Scientific scientists who have contributed to the world of science are listed. The following table gives the name of some of the scientists from Tamil Nadu and their contribution. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, Srinivasa Ramanujan, Venkataraman Radhakrishnan, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, Sir C.V. Raman. Now let us see about Sir C.V. Raman. Chandrasekhara Venkataraman was born at Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu on 7th November 1888. He completed his Bachelor of Art degree at Presidency College, Chennai. He stood first and won gold medal in physics. In 1907, he got his Master of Science degree from University of Madras. Sir C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year of 1930 for his work in scattering of light. In 1954, he was awarded the Bharat Ratna.
Blue appearance of sky. One day in the summer of 1921, Sir C.V. Raman was on the deck of a ship sailing in Mediterranean Sea. He was observing the blue color of the sky and started reasoning it. He concluded that sunlight is scattered by the gases and particles present in the air. The white light we see is composed of different colors such as violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red colors. And these colors are called as VIMGR. Among these colors, blue is scattered more. Because of this reason, sky appears blue most of the time. During sunrise and sunset, rays have to travel long distance. As they travel, all the other colors except red are scattered. So, sky appears red at sunrise and sunset.
Now let us see about Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Abul Pakir Janulabdir Abdul Kalam was an aeronautical scientist. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He got his Bachelor of Science degree from St. Joseph College, Tiruchirappalli in 1954. In 1960, he got his degree in aeronautical engineering from Madras Institute of Technology. He was involved in India's missile development program and thus came to be known as Missile Man of India. He also served as the President of India 2002-2007 and widely referred to as the People's President. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in 1981, Padma Vibhushan in 1990 and Bharat Ratna in 1997. He has written many books like Wings of Fire, India 2020 and Ignited Minds. What are the changes around us? Change is the transition of a substance from one form to another. Growth of a tree, ripening of fruits, falling of leaves are some of the changes taking place around us. These changes can be classified as reversible and irreversible changes. What are reversible changes? Changes which can be reversed are called reversible changes. If you keep water in the freezer for some time, it is transformed into ice. If it is taken out, it becomes water again. This is a reversible change. What are irreversible changes? Changes which cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. If you burn a piece of paper, it burns and turns into ash. It cannot become paper again. This is an irreversible change. Difference between reversible and irreversible changes are listed below. Reversible change. A substance can turn to its original state. Irreversible change. A substance cannot change to its original state. The chemical properties of the substance do not change. The chemical properties of the substance will change. Most of the physical changes are reversible. All chemical changes are irreversible. Wastage generated in our environment. Waste is an substance which is discarded after primary use. It is worthless, defective, and of no use. They were unwanted and undesirable materials. What are household wastes? Wastes from home is known as household waste. Solid wastes disposed from home and apartments comprise of garbage and rubbish. Bottles, cans, clothing, compost, disposable items, food, packings, newspapers, magazines, and trimmings. We can classify the household wastes as below. Organic waste, kitchen waste, vegetables, flowers, leaves, fruits. Toxic wastes, old medicines, paints, chemicals, bulbs, spray cans, fertilizers, pesticides, containers, batteries, and shoe polish. Recyclable wastes, paper, glass, metals, plastics. Solid waste, clothes soiled with fluid, blood, and other body fluid. E-wastes, computer parts, electronic materials, cell phone parts, CFL bulbs. What are the wastes from school? You leave many waste materials inside your classrooms and throw away many things in the school campus. Papers, pen and its parts, blades, chocolate covers, and plastic items are found in the school environment. The single most common material generated in schools is food waste. Food is not only wasted, but it is also thrown away everywhere, making your surrounding unclean. In a survey conducted, food waste is 23.9% of the total waste. Recyclable paper like cardboard, white paper, and mixed paper is 23.5%. To keep our surrounding clean, we need to have a proper waste disposal system. Need for proper disposal of waste. We urgently need a proper waste management system to control pollution. Various pollution like water pollution, air pollution, and soil pollution can be avoided. Second, to conserve natural resources, waste disposal is important for the conservation of our environmental resources like forest, minerals, and water. Third, to control spread of diseases. Spread of infections, diseases can be controlled. Fourth, recycle for further use. Wastes can be recycled to get products for further use. Ways to reduce waste. The best place to start changes is our home. We need to learn how to reduce, reuse and recycle waste. We can use reusable and recyclable bags and containers. Avoid one-time use items and use items which can be used permanently. Segregate wastes into biodegradable and non-biodegradable items and hand over them to the municipal and corporation people who collect them. Do not throw away your wastes everywhere. Put them in the dustbins and dispose them properly. Do not waste food. Waste food in schools can be collected and used to feed cattle. Organic waste can be converted into manures. Now let us see the exercises. Choose the correct answer. First one, blue appearance of the sky is due to scattering of light. Second one, who is known as Missile Man of India? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Third one, an example for reversible changes, melting of ice. Fourth one, chemical reaction or example for irreversible change. Fifth one, which of the following is not an organic waste? Battery. Second, let us see the fill in the blanks. First one, the book Wings of Fire was written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Second one, a stretched rubber band comes back to normal shape. It is an example for reversible change. Most of the physical changes are reversible changes. Newspapers is a recyclable waste. Wastes. Fifth one, wastes from house and apartments are called household waste. Now let us see the match the following. Bud to flower, irreversible change. Reversible change, melting of ice. India 2020, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Paper, recyclable waste. Vegetables, organic waste. Now let us see the circle the odd one. Melting, freezing, boiling, cooking. The answer is cooking. Boiling, burning, cooking, rusting of iron. The answer is boiling. Vegetables, flowers, fruits, chemicals. The answer is chemicals. Paper, glass, metals, paints. The answer is paints. Write about different household wastes. Explain the need for waste disposal. How can you reduce waste in your school environment? Name the scientist from Tamil Nadu. What are the different types of wastes? Write a note on e-waste. Define reversible and irreversible changes. What is reversible change? Sky appears blue in color. Why? These are the questions and answers. Friends, please like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you, friends.